If you recently moved to FreeCAD 1.1, you may have encountered frustrating why not closed errors while following older tutorials, even if you followed every single step perfectly. Why is this happening? Well, FreeCAD 1.1 introduced a new set of external geometry tools that allow you to project and intersect geometry into a sketch from an external edge. But in doing so, it changed a key behaviour, leading to numerous queries and headaches for users following older tutorials. But you'll be happy to hear this is easily fixed. You can even revert to the old behaviour and benefit from the new feature. In previous versions of FreeCAD, this geometry was automatically imported as construction geometry, i.e. reference edges that don't affect the final shape. However, the new default settings imports these edges as defining geometry rather than construction. If these aren't changed to construction, FreeCAD treats these external reference edges as part of your actual sketch profile. Your wire is no longer a simple closed loop, hence the error. To manually fix this, when you use the external geometry tools, take note of the resulting purple edge. A solid edge, this is defining geometry. It acts like a normal edge and will be used to calculate the shape of your part. If the edge is dashed, this is construction geometry. It is used only for reference and will be ignored by tools such as the pad and pocket. To fix your sketch, simply select the purple edge and click the Toggle Construction Geometry button. Or right-click and select it from the menu. The edge will change from a solid to a dashed, and your operation should now work perfectly. Be careful in doing so. Keep an eye on your sketcher icons. If they are currently blue, you're in construction mode. Any new geometry you draw will be construction geometry. To toggle these back, use the same tool, but ensure that nothing is selected before clicking the toggle button. This will switch back from normal to defining mode. Your tool should be now shown in white. If you want to permanently fix this and restore the old behavior, allowing you to follow older tutorials without constantly toggling, you can change the global settings. Go to the top menu, edit Preferences, navigate to the Sketcher section, select General, and find the setting Always Add External Geometry as Construction, and check the box. You can also use the search field. This returns FreeCAD to its pre-1.1 behavior, while still allowing you to manually toggle the edges from defining to construction or vice versa. A small tip here is to improve the visibility of these edges. If we look at the Preferences, Sketcher, Appearance, you can increase the line width or change the color of external geometry, making defining and construction lines look distinctively different. This will help you spot errors before you even leave the sketch. In older versions of FreeCAD, projected geometry was construction geometry by default. You could skip this step entirely and the sketch would just work. In 1.1, the behavior has changed. If you follow an older tutorial step by step, everything may look identical, but this one small default setting is often the invisible culprit that will just break your models. I hope this video has helped out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you like what you see and you want to donate to the channel, then you can do so via Ko-Fi or Coffee at ko-fi.com/MANG0 or via PayPal at paypal.com/paypalme/DarrenBEstone. I also run a Patreon where you can get early access and additional content, and that's at patreon.com/MangoJellySolutions. Links can be found in the channel header, on the About page, or in the descriptions of these videos. I thank everybody that's donated so far. It really helps to keep the lights on so I can produce more content and also expand the channel. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing to these videos, and I hope to see you again in the next one.